Hi, it's Miss McGee, and today I am going to teach you how to play Rain Rain on your Choroi Flute. The first thing that we must do is make sure our flute is nice and warm and make sure that we know how to sing the song. So first we're going to warm our flute, and as we warm it, I'll sing the song, and then we'll sing it together. It goes, rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. Now let's sing it. I'll start and then you repeat after me. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Come again some other day. Let's listen to that one again. Come again some other day. When we said some, it went a little bit higher than the other notes of the song, so we'll have a little tricky note. That'll be our third note. Mostly for this song, we are going to use our G note and our E note. So we need to make sure we can go from G to E. So that's two fingers go at the same time. So let's play with that. See if you can hit those notes. These two fingers come down like a hammer to close over the two holes here. Can you hear it? Sounds like raindrops falling on the roof. And our note for that one bit where it goes a little bit higher, where it says, come again some other day, that's going to be our A note, and that is lifting up the pinky of our left hand. So our G is all four fingers of our left hand. You can tell it's my left because that's where my watch is. And the thumb covering the back. And our E uses our right hand, and it takes two fingers to play. So E, G, A. So let's sing. Rain, rain. It drops, doesn't it? Like a raindrop. So that's going to be G to E. Rain, rain. Let's try go away, go away. Oh, sounds like it's almost the same, but it drops for way. Go away. Sounds like G, G, E. Let's play that together. G, G, E. G, G, E. My mouth is saying na, 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 na. Now let's put those together. Let's play rain, rain, go away. It looks like this. G, E, G, G, E. Let's play together. And now let's try come again some. Oh, that's a jump, so let's try. G, G, E, A. Three fingers are going to lift up at the same time for that one. G, G, E, A. Come again some. Let's play it if you're ready. And now we have other day. We've played that already. Sounds the same as go away. So let's play come again some other day. Let's put that together. That's going to be G, G, E, A, G, G, E. Play it with me if you're ready. Let's try it again. G, G, E, A, G, G, E. All right, let's see if we can play the whole song together. So let's remember it. G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, A, G, G, E. Let's see if we can do it. 1, 2, ready, go. Thank you so much for being with me and learning this song, and happy practicing. Thank you.